y'all. Today we're going to be making some tacos.
All right, tacos.
Yeah, let's get started.
What you got going here, babe?
So here I have some ground beef that I'm making into a crumble. And
Okay.
this is actually minced beef. This is what you would find here in Arusha, Tanzania. It is what we would call ground beef in the States.
Right, when you can find it.
When you can find it.
Yeah. It looks pretty good. Look like it's all coming together so far. How long you gonna brown it for?
About 10-15 minutes. You'll know when it's brown. I mean, all the pink's gone. And, it's just browned. And we're going to make it into a fine crumble for the tacos.
Right, now, this is our taco recipe, but you could use this for beef, chicken, or even a vegan substitute like potatoes or something, right?
Yeah, make it your own.
Cool.
Yeah.
Okay.
So we're just going to keep that, and then we can skip a step because this is a very lean meat.
Yeah, definitely. You can see, like, there's literally nothing to have to strain or pour off or nothing like that. So you get to skip a step.
We can skip. Absolutely.
Nice.
Yeah. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to put the taco seasoning. This taco seasoning I made is from garlic, cumin, chili powder, salt, pepper, onion powder. If you want a little spice, you can add some cayenne. You can actually buy taco kits here, but they are really expensive.
Yeah, like the equivalent of anywhere from $9 to $23, because I've seen them as high as like 52,000 shillings. So
right, they're gonna hit you with that import tax. That's
right,
what it is.
Right. So the more you can cook from scratch, it's like a really useful thing, man. I mean, whatever it is, just do it at home.
Yeah, you can do it. So here I'm just mixing the seasoning. I poured a little water in to just kind of distribute that seasoning really well. You want to distribute it all throughout the beef.
Mm-hmm.
And you want to cook it really, get it all in there. Cook it down to a simmer. And just kind of let that all meld together.
And this is like really the longest part because this whole thing gonna take what?
Right, this is a quick meal. This is like a 15-minute meal. The longest thing to do is probably cut up, the prep, cutting up the vegetables and whatever you're gonna use for the dish.
Of which you could add as many or take away as many as you like.
Right. Right.
We cooking here, man. Make it your own.
Yeah,
you do your
make it your own. Do your thing. Yeah.
Right.
It's gonna be good because you made it.
Exactly.
You know what I'm saying?
Exactly. It look like it's all coming together, babe.
It is. So yeah, we're just gonna stir that really well. You see how the sauce is kind of thickening up and clinging to the beef?
Yeah.
Really
all
good.
Right.
See that?
Yeah, that looks nice.
Yeah, and we're just gonna let that sit.
You can tell somebody making tacos.
Oh yeah, you can definitely smell all that seasoning, all that TexMex goodness.
That cumin.
Yes.
Yeah.
So next we're going to make some guacamole.
Ooh, guacamole.
Yeah.
All right.
So here's the ingredients right here. All this stuff you can find in the local village. Easy to find, no problem, at a very affordable price.
Very affordable price, man.
Yeah.
Honestly.
So here we have the tomatoes, we have onions, cilantro, garlic, and avocado. I only had a half avocado, but we only needed a little bit for what we were doing that day. So you're going to mix that up real good. And just get everything mixed up together. You're going to mix until it's all chunky and all together.
Until you got you some guacamole. All right.
You want to add a little salt to your preference.
Of course.
Pepper. Don't over salt it. Because the avocado, all that stuff, the guacamole, it has its own taste. So don't over salt it. Don't over pepper it.
Right. So far, so good. It looks really good.
Yeah, you're going to mix all your ingredients thoroughly. And I like to add some lemon juice for flavor, and that also helps with the color so it doesn't turn that dark brown, greenish color. So this is some sour cream that I made with plain yogurt and lime juice actually. You can find sour cream here, but they have the big cartons. Let me know in the comments if you guys know where you can find smaller things of sour cream to use. I don't use it like that, but let me know if you find it anywhere.
And we can substitute with Greek yogurt too. Sometimes we use Greek yogurt.
Absolutely. Yeah. And this is some homemade salsa I made. You can find salsa here also. Again, the import tax is going to hit you. So I use tomatoes, jalapeno, onion, garlic, lime juice, and cilantro. I let the tomatoes sweat to give it that juice there, and it makes an excellent salsa. All found in the village.
All found in the village.
So here we have everything together. We have the homemade salsa. We have our guacamole.
All right.
We have shredded lettuce. We have cilantro there.
Look out now.
We got our tomatoes. We got our shredded cheese. We got the homemade sour cream there and some flour tortillas. We're going to put it all together and we finna eat. And this is what you get.
Girl, that show looked good.
It was good.
Y'all, was good.
Please like, share, subscribe. Let us know what you think in the comments. Have you made tacos? Is something you want to make? You know,
what meals do you miss from back home? Exactly. Wherever home is for you, the UK, the States, wherever.
Let us know.
Let us know.
And thank you guys so much for watching. We really appreciate y'all.
We do.
And then, until next time, you know what we're going to be doing. What we're going to be doing, babe?
We're going to be right here in Tanzania, being country in another country. We'll holler.